Welcome! Today, we're exploring a brand new way to connect with friends on Instagram using your PC. With the latest update, you can now reply to stories from highlights using emojis, making your interactions more fun and expressive than ever before. If you've ever wanted to react quickly to a highlight story with just an emoji, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your computer. Head to the official Instagram website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your feed and navigation options on the left side of the screen. Next, navigate to the profile of the person whose story highlight you want to reply to. You can search for their username at the top of the page or find them in your feed. Click on their profile to enter their page. Now, look just below their bio. Here, you'll find a row of circular icons. These are their story highlights. Highlights are collections of stories that the user has chosen to keep visible beyond the usual 24-hour limit. Click on the highlight that contains the story you want to react to. Once the highlight opens, browse through the stories until you find the one you want to reply to. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the sending message bar. Click on it, and you'll notice a selection of emojis appears. This is where the magic happens. Choose the emoji that best matches your reaction, whether it's a laughing face, heart eyes, or any other emoji that fits the moment. After you've made your choice, simply hit send. Your emoji reaction will be sent directly as a message to the person who posted the story, letting them know how you feel in a quick and personal way. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can make your Instagram interactions more lively and engaging, all from the comfort of your PC. Go ahead and try it out. See how easy and fun it is to reply to story highlights with emojis on Instagram's latest update.